咁上一集咧，我哋就已經講到 Shakespeare 佢同 Anne Hathaway 佢老婆同埋佢 Secret Lovers 嘅關係啦。咁今次咧，我哋就開展我哋莎士比亞14行詩之旅啦。咁我會同大家讀首詩咯，line by line 咁樣中英解釋啦，然後希望俾大家感受到一下 Shakespeare 嘅 poeticness。咁如果大家未睇上一集嘅話咧，咁 Sonnets 有154首嘅，佢成個系列係 dedicate 俾一個人叫做 Mr. W.H。咁對於我嚟講咧，佢應該係 Out of Southampton 嘅1到17首就係關於 procreation，關於點樣勸 Out of Southampton fair youth 去到生仔，去到結婚嘅。咁因為 Shakespeare 佢收咗 Out of Southampton 佢個 Guardian 嗰啲錢，咁咧所以佢就基本上係一個 commission 啦。OK，個任務就係要勸 Out of Southampton 去到結婚。咁個結婚對象就係 Out of Southampton 個 Guardian 嘅孫女。Out of Southampton 佢唔係太想結婚。OK，咁呢個就係個 context。咁就 Sonnet number 1。From fairest creatures we desire increase, that thereby beauty's rose might never die. But as the riper should by time decease, his tender air might bear his memory。咁呢度一開始我哋已經感受到 the connection between generations, procreation 呢啲嘅 ideas。Fairest creatures we desire increase. Fairest creatures 咁就 refer 緊 fair youth 啦，係咪嗰個男仔嘅 Out of Southampton。你咁型，咁我哋咧就當然係想有更加多你咁嘅人啦。OK，desire increase that thereby beauty's rose might never die。咁 beauty's rose 就係 refer 緊 fair youth 啦，refer 緊 Out of Southampton。咁呢個係一個 metonymy。咁如果我哋透過生仔嘅話，就可以保存到 fair youth 你嘅美貌啦。As the riper should by time decease。當你成熟咗，好似繼續延伸緊個玫瑰嘅暗語嘅。如果 fair youth 你老咗成熟咗嘅時候咧，就好似度快活凋謝咁，係咪？咁你就會 disease。His tender air might bear his memory。咁你嘅後代咧就會帶住你嘅記憶，帶住你嘅容貌啦 ，which is 去到繼續生活落去啦。But thou contracted to thy own bright eyes。contracted 係合約啊嘛，係咪 ？contract 咁個 contract 係講緊 marital contract，係講緊佢段婚姻。佢想講嘅嘢就係你咧就同你自己對眼咧結咗婚。佢暗示嘅咧就係佢係一個好自戀嘅人。Thetis fired lights flame with self-substantial fuel。佢就將佢 fair youth 佢個人咧比喻成火啦，然之後就將佢嘅美貌比喻成為 fuel，咁就係自己燃燒緊佢自己嘅美貌咁樣。Making a famine where abundance lies。abundance fair youth 係充滿住 beauty，咁 fair youth 佢自己咧就整到係一個 famine 啦。By the way self-substantial 咧呢度應該係去到 echo 翻嚟，因為佢之後佢會講 fair youth 或者 Out of Southampton 佢係有智慧嘅習慣，咁所以佢應該係 play with this idea。Thyself by foe， 你自己就係你嘅敵人啦。To thy sweet self to crew， 你對自己太苛刻啦，因為你唔願意去到同另外一個女仔相識，然之後去到生 BB， 傳承你嘅美貌。Crew 唔係就係對自己 sweet self， 佢係對埋對 world。一陣我哋去到最後嗰兩句會睇到㗎。Thou that art now the world's flesh ornament, and only harrow to the gaudy spraint。 你依家咧就係世界最靚嗰樣嘅裝飾品啦。OK， ornament 又係講翻 beauty 係 fair youth 嘅 quality。咁咧 fair youth 咧佢自己就會預言 OK，harrow within thy own bud bearest thy content。喺春天嘅時候咧，你自己個花蕊咧，其實係唔會受到其他 宗旨去到繁殖下一代嘅，因為 fair youth 佢唔想結婚啊嘛，係咪？咁所以咧，佢結唔到婚，咁佢靚嘢佢屋企 fine content 就會俾人埋咗去下面 intending churned mixed waste in negating tender churn 咧係講緊 fair youth 佢好孤寒。Mixed waste in negating 係 accumulate something，OK，囤積緊佢嘅精子啦，which is OK，因為佢唔想同人哋發生性關係，唔想同至少同 Berkeley 個孫女發生性關係，唔想結婚。Pity the world, or else this gluten be to eat the world stewed by the grave and thee。咁佢就話可憐下個世界啦，咁就同人哋結婚啦。如果唔係咧，呢一種咧就係 gluttony 係基督教嘅七宗罪。咁 gluttony 係貪心嘅。OK， 點解貪心咧？就係因為非於佢就係顧住自己 ，OK， 想保存自己嘅美貌，咁就好似係攬住晒佢嘅美貌，OK， 唔願意分享咁。To eat the world's jewed by the grave and thee。OK， 呢度嘅 jewel 咧就係supposedly 你應該要有嘅嘢嘛 ，OK， 唔係 jewel 呢個字本身 connote 呢一種嘅意思。咁就係個世界 suppose 需要有嘅嘢，咁你就係食咗嘅 ，OK， 因為你唔願意去到同另外一個女仔去結婚。有兩種嘢會令到 fair youth 嘅命運冇咗，第一種就係佢死咗嘅時候就冇咗，第二樣咧就係佢自己啦，因為佢唔願意同其他人結婚生仔，咁所以佢美貌唔可以傳承下。呢首詩就係 sonnet